Hey team, for this activity, you will need a ball. I'm going to use the softer ball I have here in the gym. You can use a harder one like a basketball or soccer ball if you would like, or you can use a little one, maybe a tennis ball, or if you're desperate, you can use a rolled up pair of socks. I know sometimes that's hard to roll, but if that's all you have, feel free to use that. So go find a ball and then come back and watch the rest of this video. You will also need a target of some type. I'm going to use a water bottle to knock over. This is my target. You may want to use a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, or maybe you have some army men or toys you can set up that can easily be knocked over. But don't forget, don't let it be something that could break. We don't want anything to break. So make sure you have a target of some type as well that you can try to knock over with the ball that you found. After you find those things, set your target up. I'm going to set mine up about right here. It's about 10 feet away from me. If you want to set it closer to you, that's fine. Or if you want to move it further away to challenge yourself, that's fine too. You can have multiple targets. You could have 2, 3, or 4 targets if you would like. I'm going to start with just this one for the example. When we roll a ball, we want to make sure we release it at the floor, at the ground. Make sure you are holding the ball with your dominant hand. You're going to step with the opposite foot and then roll at the ground. Make sure when you roll it, the ball just rolls. Don't let it bounce. It's not a basketball where we're bouncing and dribbling. We want it to roll, not bounce. So I'm going to roll the ball towards the target and try to knock it down. Wish me luck. I'm going to hold the ball with my right hand. I'm going to step with my left foot and roll at my target. Yes, knocked it down. Practice doing that throughout the day. Practice that throughout the week. As I said, you can use more than one target. You could add 2, 3, 4 water bottles or whatever your target is next to each other. Change the distance. Have a target further away or even closer if it is more challenging. Don't forget, you want to step and roll. Do not let the ball bounce. We want it to step and roll. Practice that. Let me know how it goes.